Okay, so a lot of people are going through TikTok videos and seeing what's going on there and seeing what's being said there. So this is probably going to be part of a series, like one out of who knows how many, because there seems to be plenty of these videos. But okay, we'll let him talk.
In space everywhere, you say, well, you're an idiot. Space is a vacuum. We know space is a vacuum. There's nothing there. And yet that's not the case. When you start researching space and water, it becomes mind-blowing. Article after article after article after press release and press release about water in space in amounts that the universe and the water are the same thing. On the left is one of those deep space images of the universe. On the right is a picture of a swimming pool. And I think you start seeing what's going on here. And the lies and the deceptions are getting bigger and bigger.
Liquid water has a density about 1 kilogram per liter. And for every 18 grams of water, there's about 6.022 times 10 to the 23 molecules. And in space, the typical density of space is around 2 or 3 particles per cubic centimeter. And most of that's hydrogen, especially near Earth, because it's coming from the sun. There are places in space, like nebula, where it can get up to 100 to 300 particles per cubic centimeter in the giant molecular clouds. But that's a rarity. That's in a very dense area.
Also keep in mind that many of the images that we get shown by NASA come from radio telescopes, not from optical telescopes where they actually photograph an object. It's a radio telescope that brings radio signals, and then they convert those into beautiful images through NASA's artistic impression graphic designers. But if space is water, where does the watery space?
There are many different types of telescopes, and many telescopes are used. There are radio telescopes, and they do have to be adjusted so we can see them into what they call false color images. Plus, also, the pictures we see are just for basically show, or a lot of the data comes from spectrographs. Like the Hubble telescope has 2 or 3 spectrographs, and they have like the wide view telescope or camera, and they have a near infrared camera. This is a famous image from Hubble called the Pillars of Creation. It's in the Eagle Nebula, and it was a good one for posters for years. But yeah, there's many different types of telescopes, and images are combined. And the data is not taken from the images. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this and found it somewhat informative, and have a good day.